Trip number 2. Will be a bit more productive this time. But we had a few bass last time, hopefully a bit something bigger this time. I'll flip you around. Hello boys. There's the lads with Bradley and John. And now just by breakwater. I'll flip you around in a minute. Just heading out towards the breakwater now. There's more pickle on there as well. Gonna have a few little blasts. Gonna stay mobile today, do a few spots, see what's about, and hopefully some better fish. Some smoke coming off that, isn't it? Yeah. Here we are out on the drop off. Out with Jono and Bradley. Bradley's just jigging some feathers. Trying to pick us up some bait. And I'm going to do the same in a second. John's just setting up his other rod. I think he's getting the bait out now, isn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, nice. Yeah, look. See what we got here. The orange shot leader I got off John there. Oh, what is it?
Scab mackerel, isn't it? Scab mackerel.
Yeah, scab mackerel.
Yeah.
Thought it wasn't nothing too big. Come on mate, got a couple of mackerel on there. Nice. Yeah, 2. Well done. Sweet. I think I've got a couple on as well, I think. Yeah, I've got a little tap. I can see it tapping. If you look good, that's tapping. Yeah. I'll wait for you to get yours in. Nice.
They baited feathers?
No, just normal.
Matty.
I'm trying not to hit your line. There's about 3 on there, I think. 3 or 4.
Get sitting there, son. Bring them around the right if you can. Bring them around the right side.
Yeah, tangle me right up.
You got me.
Be right tangle, but.
Yep, run, chuck them on the boat. Chuck them on there in the pot.
It's alright. Fucking a mess by, innit? There we go. 3 of them. Wow.
You're about 10 feet away.
I got it.
Wow! Wow!
Nice. We thought we'd come out in the evening and have another little blast. We've been out on the boat all day. Had a nice session with Bradley. They're having a little shore blast tonight. So yeah, we'll be feeling tired tomorrow, but hopefully it's worth it.
Gotta be in it to win it.
That's it, mate. In it to win it. Hopefully something happens. There he goes. Little fella saved the blank, like last time. Unfortunately no bigger ones again, but never mind. But yeah, he's off.